What's up, guys? This is the King, and today we're going to be talking about Kaspa and why I personally believe it will still make you a millionaire, even though it has its little fun basics and whatnot. So, first thing I'd like to do is go over here to the price chart. As you can see, Kaspa has currently broken out of its retracement. We had this really big run up right here from about 1 cent up to 4 cents, and now we did roughly a month-long retracement in the month of April. It came down, hitting a low of around 2.2 cents, currently back up to 3.1 cents, which is looking really good because, as you can see, we kind of just mimicked this little movement over here where Kaspa was over at 0.07 of a cent and broke up to 1.5 cents. And then similar to the run where we had the little retracement here that eventually ended up breaking up for 1.3 to 4 cents. And so, I mean, it's looking really good for Kaspa. It's a great coin. A lot of the difficulty has run off of the network because everyone is preoccupied with other coins like Ironfish and Chlor.ai, which I also have a video on. While we're on that topic, you guys should stop, like and subscribe to the video. Also, check out my other videos. Chlor.ai is an amazing project. Not many people are talking about it right now because, miners are stacking up their bags, but I would definitely recommend you going out and checking out Chlor.ai. Back to Kaspa. So we're currently sitting at 3.1 cents, and given that I do see us going through a little bit of sideways action around the 3 to 2.8 cents range, but I eventually see us breaking out above the 4 cent range relatively soon. If you look at the current RSI, we have just finally dropped back above the 2-day moving RSI. No, I read that wrong. Sorry about that. But as you can see, the purple line has just gone up above the yellow line. And that is looking really good for Kaspa's price coming here on. Also, Kaspa just is working on a new exchange listing, which, as you guys know, when we had that 4 cent price range, it was because Kaspa had recently just got listed on, I believe, Trade Ogre. And if you come over here to Uphold, which is a relatively higher tier exchange, what is Kaspa and how does it work? Kaspa is a decentralized, open source, scalable layer 1 solution. Kaspa is the project's native CAS is the project's native currency and is used for all on-chain transactions and distribute mining rewards. CAS is not a token, it is the layer 1, hence refers to CAS as a coin. The project was founded by Yotan Somplinsky. Somplinsky is one of the authors of the GhostDAG protocol, which serves as Kaspa's underlying consensus mechanism. Kaspa builds itself as the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer ever built on proof-of-work engine. Kaspa, if you guys don't know, is pretty much on par to do more transactions per second than MasterCard and Visa, being the biggest names in the transaction space, like your debit card, your credit card, even your EBT card most of the time probably runs through them. They have this section, what makes Kaspa different? The most obvious difference between Kaspa and traditional blockchains is their use of GhostDAG, which is a proof-of-work consensus protocol. Instead of orphaning blocks created in parallel, GhostDAG allows these blocks to coexist and order them in consensus. You can see how this works by checking out their real-time BlockDAG visualizer, which we will go on towards the end of the video. Also, you guys should stay tuned and watch the whole video because there may be something cool at the end of this video. I might have put something cool at the end of my last video. You will never know unless you go and watch all of those videos. So go do that. Go do that now. Okay, sorry about that. This process allows Kaspa to circumvent the traditional security, scalable, and decentralization trade-off of blockchains and allowing them to improve on block rates and whilst maintaining the security guarantees of Bitcoin. The project has positioned itself as a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus, which is faithful to principles Satoshi embedded into Bitcoin. Like, you guys think Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin? No. Actually, Kaspa is the silver to Bitcoin. Kaspa prides itself in being a community project. Kaspa was distributed via fair launch, and the project's marketing materials maintain that Kaspa is fully community governed and community funded project. And if you guys go over to Kaspa's Discord, is when they just did the fundraiser for the Uphold, which they reached in a matter of minutes, which is awesome because some projects run these fundraisers for a matter of days, weeks, even sometimes months. And for Kaspa to get it in a day, it shows that there's a lot of support. Really good community support is amazing for mass adoption. Like just how like Bitcoin is now now that Dogecoin is the people's currency, Kaspa will be the new people's currency. I mean, it's all in the writing. I mean, I can easily see Kaspa reaching upwards of easily breaking the 6 to 8 cents range relatively soon. I mean, it's almost insane how great Kaspa is. I mean, if we go and check out hashrate.no, Kaspa is no longer the most profitable coin. Like I was saying, Chlor.ai, go check out my video. Make sure to watch the whole video, but Chlor.ai is going to be a banger in the next bull run. I'm going to let you know that now. As you can see, it is probably one of the more profitable coins throughout the board, which is insane because no one's talking about it, and I am. Chlor.ai, go check out my video. I mean, let's help me get up there to Red Panda. Like, if we can get me to Red Panda, your YouTube one day will get up to Red Panda. Let's do this. But yeah, that was my quick spiel on Kaspa. Gonna drop some more videos here shortly. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, really awesome. Peace out.